Well, we like to call it quiet progress. With a lot of the lobbying that we've been doing lately, I think we're being quite effective in making the views of the citizen known. The citizen on both sides of the frontier, the citizen also from the worker to commerce, and I think that transversal view is very important to put across.
The group encompassing a number of different entities, not just from one side but from two sides of the border. How difficult is it to reconcile everybody's priorities?
It's amazing how when there really is a will, we're able to work towards the common good. And the common good, remember, this started because of our concern with the frontier queues in 2013. Fluidity of the frontier is crucial to the beginnings of the group, but also to its end as well. It's not just a question of the free flow of workers, it's also of tourists, of human beings who come through the frontier, but also the movement of goods, which enables the area to be thriving.
How much of a challenge is it for you guys to work with the Spanish veto?
The sort of statements that we're getting from the Spanish government are very hopeful. Dastis has made several comments which have really enthused people in the area, but we don't have anything concrete. The only thing I can tell you is that we will always put across the view that Spain should not make use of the veto in order that we continue to progress in our prosperity and in the social relations that tie us.
And the group reinforcing itself in the last few months with new members, new entities coming on board, and now you want to evolve into a new sort of guise.
The European grouping of territorial cooperation is a legal entity within the European Union. There's about 60 of them that exist across Europe, but not necessarily between member states. For example, Ukraine is involved in one, Switzerland is involved in other, and it has two important features. One, it creates the legal framework for cooperation between public bodies on either side of any frontier, but also, I think, importantly for us, it gives us an opportunity to remain within the auspices of the European Union and work towards cooperation with our fellow neighbours. It is what we have is a memorandum of understanding between the Gibraltar government and the Junta de Andalucía, with us in there as a party, trying to facilitate any agreement that they might come to.
And a group of Spanish politicians visiting the area in the next few days, Lionel. What do you hope they take away from their visit?
Well, this is a parliamentary commission, a cross-party parliamentary commission, coming to fact-find in the area, a little similar to what the House of Lords committee did when they came over. They are concerned, and there's an urgent need to have the opinions of people brought to them.